this for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made.
Hey guys, welcome back to another hair review. Thanks to ISEE Hair for sponsoring this video. Let's get into this wig. It's a 26-inch hair, and I love that it's labeled right at the top, so you cannot miss that. Now, let's go in it and see. The wig is pretty much secure. First time working with a wig like this. They also added a rod for the curls, so I'm super excited. It's also a pre-colored wig, so let's see. Okay, ISEE never fails, okay? The lace they bring, look at that. They never fail. This is a side part, and I'm happy because I decided to do a side part, guys. Take a moment for the lace. It is beautiful, spectacular. Now, they rod the hair, and I like that. It's a colored wig, like I said before. It's brown, pre-bleached knots, pre-cut, 7x5 lace wig. The rod is in the wig, and this is the first time I think I need to try curling my hair like this, which means we might not need to curl this hair because it is pre-curled. And look how fluffy these curls are. Absolutely amazing. I like it. It's a side part. The lace is super thin, HD, so it's gonna be laid down. Okay, you guys already know I love my wigs with a comb at the back, and I showed you guys the adjustable band that is removable that you just add to the wig. Now there's a spot for it, but they also have one that's labeled wear and go. Once you see this, you know it's ISEE Hair. Okay, they also, it comes with one, and they give you a black one just in case you want to switch it out, but I will leave that because it's not going to show. I love this lace. It's going to be a very simple install, and what I like most about the wig is that it's already layered. They layered this wig. Now look how beautiful the curls are. We are going to go upstairs and we are going to do this hair right now. It is beautiful, really good for Christmas, and you guys know there's a Black Friday sale, so it's a perfect time to grab a good wig. Let's get into the install right now. All right guys, we are gonna get right into installation. I'm gonna put a wig cap on my head. I don't braid my hair because most of the wigs I install, they are 7x5 closure, and this one is perfectly fine. So once I put the cap on, I like to go in and just add a little makeup to it just to make sure everything is blended, it's seamless. So we're gonna go in with some foundation right on that lace, and this is gonna be a side part, so I want to make sure that the side is, I need to figure out, oh, it's on this side. I don't typically wear my hair on this side. Everyone does, I don't know why. But anyway, we are going to work with the side that it is on. I am going to clean my forehead with alcohol because I want everything to be on for at least 2 to 3 days. So I'm just going to clean right at the front because obviously I'm wearing makeup. And even though it's a closure, I want to make sure everything is on. So we're going to clean this area before, and then we're going to fit the wig on the head before we do anything else. Now, this is it. I did it to the mannequin because I wanted to see how it looked. And I told you, once I install it, I will show you guys the layers that is in it, but it feels amazing. So we're just going to get right into the fitting. And with this, I want to see if I want to keep it low or I want to put it more at the top. So once you finish the wig and find out the perfect spot that you want it, that's what you should do. I think I'm gonna leave it right here. This feels perfect. It is snug on my head, even though I did not pull the band as yet, but it is snug. So what we're gonna do, we are gonna pull the band a little bit tighter. As a matter of fact, no, it's perfect. Tuck it rather underneath, and this is it. I want to make sure that part is deep. It's pre-cut. It's, oh, you see that? I cannot wait to style this. The wig is as is, so I did nothing to it. But we are gonna go in. I think I want to make the part a little bit deeper so it is a little bit more customized, and that's what I'm gonna do. You see that, the difference? So I'm gonna go in, just small details, and I'm gonna go with the wax stick, and you guys can keep on watching.
Take me there, take me there. If what you need is just an offering, it's right here. My life is here. I'll be a living sacrifice for you. You're the fire, the refiner. I wanna be consumed. I wanna be tried by fire, purified. You take whatever you desire. Yeah, Lord, here's my life. I wanna be tried by fire, yeah, yeah. Purified. Lord, take whatever you desire. Yeah.
Listen, just imagine having a wig you don't have to curl, and it is perfect because look at that. Yes, it came as a side part. We decided to work with the side part, but look at this hair. Look at the curls. Now we are gonna go in and I'm gonna brush it, finesse the curls. When I tell you I am not doing anything, we're not doing anything. So I'm gonna use the hot comb because I want this side to be upwards. It's a side part, so I want to make sure that it just complements the space as much as possible. Now it's a 7x5 closure, and you can't even tell. I know you guys wonder if it's a lace wig, but that's how good this wig is, and I love it. Let me grab a big tea comb. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go in with a brush first, and I'll show you guys around the back that the wig is layered. Okay, let's use a brush first. We have a little bit of flyaway and just using a little bit of oil. You don't need much, just to kind of control that. Let me go in. I need another wig. I see here I need another one. This one alone can't do. I did not curl this. I did not. And look at the color. Before I do anything else, I am going to get into the feature of this wig, and we're going to start with the simplest, which it is super easy to install. Glueless install, which means you don't need anyone to do it. You can do it yourself. Now, I absolutely love this. Like, any way you fix this, I don't know what they did with curling this wig, but it's to perfection. Okay, I see you. Okay, now it's pre-everything. I love it. It is so amazing. Pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-plucked. It is pre-everything. It's also pre-layered. Let's talk about that because it's a layered wig. I'm gonna show you guys a back effect, but I appreciate this wig so much. because it's a quick, it's also full, it's bouncy. Ugh. Is it dark? Can you guys see that? Like, look at the side. Let's take it slow. Look at the side. And then look at the back. Girl, are you seeing this? Cause what? And then the other side. Okay guys, you guys have seen enough. This wig is on sale for Black Friday. I need you guys to grab it because it's the perfect wig. It's Christmas, it's holidays, and one less thing to do. Okay, you will have a wig where you can just slip it on. I don't know, the curls are not going anywhere. They did something to this. Okay, the side part, it's just perfect. I love that they made it a side part. So you can change it, of course, but it's amazing. I love it. Now, remember, I don't typically do my side parts on this side, but they made it so easy for me, and I love, 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 love that. Okay, the wig is very much convenient as well. Love it, love it, love it. Now, if you want this wig, it will be in the description. Make sure you guys check it out. Remember, I said Black Friday sale, you need it. The holidays, vacation, to look cute, you need it. Thanks to ISEE here for sponsoring this video. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let me know your thoughts, especially on the curls. I'll see you guys in the next one.
My name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death, God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm someone, told me I'm